How to fix Instagram voice feature not showing up. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to try doing is simply move into the App Store on a device. In the App Store, in the search bar, search for Instagram. Then click on it. Right here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then simply click on update and update the application to the latest version. Sometimes application might not be up to date, and it might be the reason that the updated feature is not showing up. So you have to make sure to update it to the latest version. Once done, now head over to settings, move into general and then move into iPhone storage. In this page, you have to scroll down and search for the application Instagram and then move into it. Click on Offload app and then once again tap on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. But if the feature is still not showing up, then all you gotta do is report the problem. In the report section, state the problem that you have been facing, and within 24 hours, it might get fixed. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.